Hello grade 9s. Today we're looking at section 5.3, the slope of a line. I am going to ask you to sketch a line that passes through 2 points, 1, 5 and 4, 2. So 1, 5, 4, 2. I connect and there's my blue line. Now what I want to do is I want to determine if the point 3, 1 lies on the same line. Well, I can sketch that point 3, 1 and I can clearly see that in fact this red point does not lie on the blue line. I just want you to think about this for a moment. Let's imagine another point, a third point that's on this blue line. My first 2 points have a certain slope. If I were to calculate the slope between this point and my third point, it would be the same. And in fact, if I were to calculate the slope between this point and my third point, it too would be the same. Well, for this red point that's not on the line, what happens if I were to calculate its slope from the red point to this point? I get a different slope than this blue line. And again, if I were to calculate the slope between my red point and this point, I get a different slope from my blue line. So if all 3 points lie on the same line, then all 3 slopes must be equal. So instead of always drawing a graph, I could actually answer this question, do all 3 points lie on a line, by simply calculating their slopes. So let's do that. Example 2. Without graphing, let's determine if the point A lies on the line that passes through points B and C. Well, I'm going to start by calculating the slope between points B and C, the slope of the line. So using my slope formula, I end up with slope of BC is equal to 7 over 5. Now I'm going to calculate the slope of AB. Remember, if all 3 lie on the same line, then this slope of AB has to equal the slope of AC, which has to equal the slope of BC. So now let's calculate the slope of AB. Again, using x1, y1, x2, y2, my slope formula, I end up with negative 4 over negative 3, which reduces to 4 over 3. So these 2 slopes are not the same, which tells me that in fact the 3 points do not lie on the same line. Okay, has to be sitting out here, that point A. One more time. If 3 points lie on the same line, then all slopes must be equal. And a fancy word for saying that 3 points lie on the same line is collinear. Just a fancy word for saying that 3 points lie on the same line. Example 3. Are the points S, T, and U collinear? So I'm going to start by calculating the slope between points S and T. Using my slope formula, I end up with the slope between points S and T is negative 2/3, 2 over negative 3. That negative, remember, can be top, bottom, or middle. We like to keep it at the top if possible. Okay. The slope between TU, again, I use my slope formula here, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and I end up with negative 2 over 3. Remember what I just said. That negative can be at the top, at the bottom, in the middle, means the same thing. So indeed, these points share the same slope, which means that the points must be collinear. So, focus for today's homework is on collinear points, calculating slope. If you could please look at these questions, and if you have any problems, contact me. Thank you. Have a good day, everyone.